Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Facebook from all of your devices. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log out or sign out of all of your sessions on your Facebook account, first open up your Facebook app on the device where you want to log out from. And this is my original device, and if I want you to log out of other devices from over here, simply after opening your account, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the three dotted icon just below the messenger icon. Tap on the three dotted icon, like three line icon like this, and after tapping on the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings icon or the gear icon. Again, tap on the settings icon and you will be landed on this interface, whereas we'll be required to scroll down a little bit and you can see the security and login option under the security category. Tap on security and login like this, and after that you can see the where you're logged in option available over here just below the recommended, and there is the see all option available at the right side of the where you're logged in. Tap on see all, and over here you will find all of the sessions on which you logged into or from which you logged into your Facebook account. If you want to log out of a particular device, you can see the three line icon at the side of each and every device over here. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and you can see the logout option available or appear on the bottom left corner of the screen, bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on logout and you'll be logged out of that particular device from your account. And if you want to log out of all of your sessions on your Facebook account, scroll down to the bottom of the list and you will find the logout of all sessions on the bottom of the screen. Tap on logout of all sessions like this, and after that you can see the logout button on the blue on the just above the cancel button. Tap on logout and you'll be able to log out of all of your sessions on your Facebook account. And this is how you log out of all of your devices from your Facebook account, or log out of all sessions on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.